is already warming up pretty good. She's just fucking loyal. Yeah, she's starting to warm up. Who wants to be my funky neighbor? Like an idiot, I decided to stop at the edge of the road so I can drag my tree limbs out of the way. Well, she went sideways. Well, this is really, really packy. Look at that, I looked out. Valstem's at the top, we can let a bunch of air out. Oh, that's cold. It's the only way to do it. We got fucking 80 PSI in these tires. Alright, well, nothing else to do but give it hell.